सो ये वाली करेक्ट टैंक है ना, करेक्ट। हाँ, तो इस टैंक की प्राइस है 48। हेलो यूट्यूब फैमिली, कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप कि यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। एंड टुडे इज़ 30th मार्च एंड इट्स 6 month फ्रॉम अ बाइक डिलीवरी। और आज हम लोग जाने वाले हैं बाइक की सर्विस कराने। आई विल ट्राई टू मेक व्लॉग्स इन इंग्लिश बिकॉज आई एम इन कर्नाटका एंड आई फील लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल माइट नॉट बी नोइंग हिंदी। इफ़ यू हैव एनी सजेशन ऑन दैट, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो in the comment section. Should I make it in English or still I should continue in Hindi? And it is a second service which comes in 6 month, and the kilometers which is given is 7,500, but my bike has completed 5,000 kilometer almost. It's nearby 5,000 kilometer. So I just thought ki let's get it serviced, and also this time they are going to change my tank as well. I'll be recording everything and showing to you in this video what all things are required in the service and in second service of KTM Adventure 390X. Sorry, मैं आपको बताना भूल गया. If somebody is watching new, I own KTM Adventure 390X. Let's see how the service will be and what all things will be getting changed in bike in second service, and how much will be the cost. Those all things I'll be letting you know. And this time they are also gonna change my tank, which is having some defect, which they promised that they will change in this service duration. I hope everything will be going good today. I see you directly in the service center as I'm not mounting my camera in my helmet. Let's go. We have also complained about few things which I have some problems are there in the bike. So he is recording and then let's see. So guys, this is the service center. यहीं पे सारी बाइक की सर्विस होती है KTM की। इट इज़ KTM इंदिरा नगर, और इसके नीचे आपकी बजाज और चेतक की सर्विस होती है। दोनों फ्लोर में कई सारी बाइकें लगी हुई है। So we have given the bike for the service, and they will not change the engine oil. That is the one thing which is they said, because kilometer is not yet completed. It is just 4,500 from the first service to second service. From first to second service it is 3,500, and total it is 4,500 approx. So now the tank has also come and they will replace the tank today. So this is Manjunath ji. He is very good. Whenever you want any kind of service in KTM Indira Nagar, definitely you should come here and meet him. So now we'll do the service. I think we are not changing anything else, as engine oil and oil filter is not getting changed. So only the tank will get changed, and the general service and whatever checks and all will be done, that will be done in the second service what we are going to do today. So this is the tank which is going to get replaced. Hey, this is again filter color. Different. So this is the tank which cost almost 46,000, and last time also it was not changed just because the color was different, and now again I don't know, I think they have bought this time.
Sorry कहती होगी सर जी इसको।
Okay. This is not our tank. This is the old one which last time we came and we didn't replace. So that's the story. We अपनी वाली टैंक की सर्च चल रही है.
A few moments later.
So ये वाली करेक्ट टैंक है ना, करेक्ट. आई थिंक दिस इज द करेक्ट टैंक. सो इस टैंक की प्राइस है 48,230 रुपीज़, जैसा कि आपको दिख रहा होगा. So now they have put the bike on the floor for the service, and they'll take it to the bay. Just waiting for the service to start. So what will be the service that I will let you know at the end of the video. So wait, and I just got to know that they are not doing like cleaning of the vehicle due to the water scarcity in the city. Bangalore is in a dry condition, and there is a lot of scarcity of water. So that's the reason that they won't be cleaning the vehicle using water, as I know. So only the service will be done. अपनी बाइक ऊपर 2 मिनट गई है. और यहाँ पे एक सिटिंग एरिया भी है, छोटा सा है, बट चलो यहाँ बैठने के लिए तो नहीं आए, जल्दी जल्दी सर्विस बस हो जाए। So they have cleaned the chain as I see in the first step, and now they are going to open the front brake pads and also the rear. I think they will be cleaning. So basically in this service now they will be just doing all the points which they need to check in the second service, as well as the cleaning and all for the brake pad and all those nut bolts they will be tightening up. And engine oil has to be changed, but since the kilometer is not yet completed, so that's why they are not changing the engine oil. So the petrol is getting out of the tank. Lot of petrol is there, as you can see, before changing the tank. I think it will be more than 10 liter. Almost it was 14 liter. The tank has been taken out and nothing is there. Tank is there getting replaced. So guys, they are filling the petrol back into the new tank. Almost 3 gallon, 2 gallon and one some 30% of the gallon was full. That all petrol is now getting filled in the bike, in the tank, the new tank. The tank is now changed. The new tank is there with this sticker. Now we are checking the software update because some problem was there. So we'll check it and update it. Flashing mainly, I don't think there's an update. Only flashing, and again we are putting new software. So service is almost done and the software is updated. There was a new version that got updated. Tank got changed and all those checking and cleaning, everything is done. Now they are taking it out. So now they have to tighten up the cone set which is in the front here, because whenever I am pressing the brake, it is cut noise is coming from here. So I think this is loose, so they will tighten up that. अभी देखना है कि बिल कितने का आता है. वैसे तो ये फ्री सर्विस है, सेकेंड सर्विस इज़ अ फ्री सर्विस, बट यहाँ पे कंज्यूमेबल्स का चार्ज लगता है. बट हमें इंजन ऑयल हमने चेंज नहीं कराया है, जो ऑयल फिल्टर होता है वो भी चेंज नहीं हो रही है. तो बस चेन क्लीनिंग में जो भी कंज्यूमेबल लगा है और वो सारी चीज़ें का कॉस्ट आएगा. और टैंक जो चेंज हो रहा है वो वारंटी में है, तो आई थिंक सो कि देयर शुड बी अ मिनिमम चार्ज. एंड आई जस्ट चेक्ड विद supervisor here. He told next time when we will be coming for the oil change, that time they will not charge anything. So still that will be free because bike is still in free service duration. So that is the good thing what I feel. So the bill is 466 rupees only, but I am still not happy because they have added consumables and they have also added the charges for cleaning the chain, and even I see that they have taken the spray which they used to clean the chain, no, that also 200 rupees they were. So total it is 466 rupees bill, and they are not giving me hard copy since take it under warranty. But I try to understand why this all consumable and all those things are there, because it should be consumable. I understand at least that is spray, but after that again there is a consumable, and then chain cleaning is also there. Then what is the free service? That is one point where I was trying to understand, but I couldn't make it out, and I have given 466 rupees for the service, just because there is no engine oil and oil filter or any other thing changed in the bike. That's why it is less, but still I'm not so convinced for what the things they have charged. But they are telling that they will give that chain spray to us full bottle. Let's see if they give or not. So I hope you have got a clear understanding for the second service, how it is done and what all things are there. If you have any doubt, still you can contact us putting a comment in the comment box. If you like this video, please hit a like button and also subscribe to our channel for such contents and more upcoming videos based on KTM Adventure 390. So that's all for today's video. I hope you had a great time, and see you in another video very soon. till then stay safe, keep riding, keep traveling, bye bye.